Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to be comparing VT or VTI, choosing the best low-cost ETF for your portfolio. So first, let's talk about the VT or the Vanguard Total World Stock or ETF. So its key features are it covers both US and international equities, developed plus emerging markets. Also, it gives you instant diversification across thousands of companies worldwide. And lastly, it also rebalances automatically to reflect global market changes. Now, for its pros and cons is that for the pros, it has true one fund global portfolio. It also has the exposure to growth in both US and international markets. And lastly is less US-centric risk. For its cons is it is slightly higher expense ratio with 0.07% versus the VTI's, which is it also has like 0.03%. The also international stocks can underperform during certain cycles and currency risks due to the foreign holdings. Now let's move forward with the VTI or the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. So its key features are it covers the entire US stock market, large, mid, small, and micro cap stocks. Also, it has extremely low expense ratio of 0.03% and its strong historical performance driven by the US economy. Now for the pros is it has lower cost, higher liquidity, and US stock market has historically outperformed most international markets. It is also simpler exposure, great for core portfolios. Now for its cons is it has no international exposure and lacks global diversification. And it is also heavily weighted toward tech and mega cap US stocks. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!